Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started towards a new video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. So here comes the TP-Link Acer C20 AC750 wireless dual band router, which can go up to 750 Mbps support. So you have all the details on the box, so there's no manual required for you. So here it says easy setup and comes at 2399, but in offer the price varies. I've shared the link in the description so that you can just buy from the link, and it supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, where 2.4 is 300 Mbps speed and 5.5 gigahertz is 433 Mbps speed. So you can connect from any of this to your Wi-Fi devices, and this has all the specifications on the side of the box, where on the router you can see, um, just unbox it. So once you open the box, you will be able to find the router and this cable. We have already unboxed, so we have done the setup. So let me show you how it looks. So this is the brand new router, which has a dual band Wi-Fi setup, and it has three antennas. You can see all the lights blinking over here. One shows power connected, and another shows the Wi-Fi is connected, and another shows that you are connected to the WAN, and so on. So here on the back side you can see the WAN port and also 4 LAN ports where you can connect, and one power reset and set, and also on off button, and also the input power connection from the adapter. So this is not a proper setup which we are done. This is just proper installation that is being done, so we'll be modifying it. Hope you like the video guys. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and tap on the bell icon please.